Hey class, I want to walk you folks through how to use the Google Screenwriter add-on for Google Docs, which is probably the easiest, cheapest option for you folks right now. I've listed some other options for you too, but this is one I want to demo, and it's actually going to go in that particular part of your module for this week. So if I click on there, this will take you where to download the add-on. Click on it, it'll show you a little demo on it, and then mine's already installed, so I could uninstall it, but you folks who click on here to install. And then when you actually go into Google Docs, so here's one right now that's a blank one that I'm starting from scratch. If you click over on add-ons here, this is where you can actually turn it on. So if I hit launch, this will pop it up, and then over here you have your controls on how to use it. So if we wanted to use a slug line right here, we could click scene header. Right there, new scene header, and I'll put interior bar day, which is where none of us should be right now. Create header, and notice that it actually did everything we needed it to for our slug line. So now we'll go down here right now. I'm going to add some action. So I typed in a little bit of action right there. Now I'll add some dialogue. So let's have a speaker. I'll click in here. And then we'll click on dialogue. He's not really yelling, he's just, exclaiming here. And then we'll do another speaker. Drunk Dave. Another speaker, we'll do Drunk Jim, or I'll just call him Jim because he's not drunk. And then speaker. So you have to actually click in the box to make it work. We're going to do both of them at the same time so you can see what that looks like. Drunk Bob and Drunk Dave. There we go. So we have just created a small script bit. We're out of the scene. We could go to the next, actually I'll do some more action, but we could do another slug line. There we go. We're done with the scene. We have now used Google Screenwriter add-on in order to write a short script. We may even shoot this. Who knows? But anyway, this is how it's done. So hopefully you folks will do this. And when you're done with it, you can share it. You can also, it's also going to save it directly to your docs. You may be able to, I know you can export it as well. You can also download it to your computer if you need to. And you can also go to print, various ways to do that. Let's go to share. And then, let's see, Drunks. Name before sharing, and then share with groups, get a link. We can do it that way. That's one way we could do it if we need to. That's not the way I want to do it right here. So let me, so as I said, I'd be wrestling with this, folks, just like you. Format, I'm looking for it. What I want to do is make it a PDF, because if you send me a PDF to Canvas, it will make it a lot easier for me to deal with. Oh, here we go, right here. Download a PDF. And then whenever you submit it, we're going to just save the file here. And then whenever you drop it off, you've got a PDF version, which will work much better and allow me to annotate it better. So there we go. That works. That's a possibility here. The one thing I did before I did anything else, and I already formatted it once, but I got rid of it, is you want to make sure you put it in Courier. So there we go. That's the script writing format. So it looks like an old typewriter. That's the way it goes. All right. Cool.